Hi, Math Squad! I'm Teacher Lane, and today we'll learn the Pythagorean Theorem in just 1 minute. In any right triangle, the longest side is called the hypotenuse, and the two shorter sides are the legs. Pythagoras discovered that the square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of the legs. Let's try it! If one leg is 3 and the other is 4, what's the hypotenuse?
So using the formula, a is 3 squared plus b squared is 4 squared equals to c squared. So 3 squared, that is equal to 9, and 4 squared, that is equal to 16. Now we are going to add 9 plus 16 equals 25, and to get the value for c, we have to get the square root of c squared and 25 as well. So square root of c squared is c, and the square root of 25 is 5. So the hypotenuse is 5.